Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create transparent text in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. This will serve as your background. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on your canvas to create a new text layer. Type out your desired text, choosing a bold font for the best effect. Adjust the font size and position to your liking, ensuring it stands out clearly on your background. Now, let's turn your text into a selection. Hold down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows, then click directly on the text layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel. You'll see a marching ant selection appear around your text. Once the selection is active, simply click the eye icon next to your text layer in the Layers panel to hide its visibility. The selection will remain active. With your text selection still active, navigate to your background image layer in the Layers panel and make sure it is selected. Then, click the Add Layer Mask icon, which looks like a rectangle with a circle inside, at the bottom of the Layers panel. Instantly, the area where your text was selected will become transparent, revealing the checkerboard pattern if no other layers are beneath it. This creates the cutout effect. To fully appreciate your transparent text, you can add a new layer below your masked background. Fill this new layer with a solid color, a gradient, or even another image to see your transparent text reveal the content beneath. Finally, to save your work and maintain the transparency, go to File, then Export and choose Export As. Select PNG as the file format as it supports transparency and click Export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.